Okay, organize the kitchen day one. We're starting with the pantry because that's the easiest, and I got some baskets and we're gonna take everything out, put it on the island, and just start cleaning out and all of that. So let me show you what we're working with. Okay, here is the current pantry situation. It's not terrible, just a little messy, and I think it could look a lot better, especially down here where the kibble, Walmart bags, and Peppy pads and all that live. And just I could clean out, get rid of some old stuff, and just like not have floor cleaning things next to my canned goods. I don't know. And also I don't normally have that many canned goods, but you know, needed things that could keep. So I also have boxed food that I don't usually eat. Pumpkin's got her treat collection up here. We don't usually have cereal in the house either, and I don't even know what that is right there. And yeah, then just in this little container I have some bagged things and some crackers. So yeah, let's get started. This is all the baskets I got. I got this tall one here that I am going to put the plastic bags and stuff in, just to have somewhere so they're contained. And then I've got all these little nice organizers from Target, and we're gonna just start getting that organized. I'm gonna put everything here on the island. This is some stuff I've already taken out. It's just like smoothie things, a few random stuff that needs to find a home and just better organization system, like our medicines, supplements, peanut butter, just all this kind of crap. So alright, I'm gonna start by taking everything out of here, putting it over there on the island. Okay, let's wipe everything down. That is done. Now it's time to sort everything. Here is Pantry, which was, oh my god, such a mess. Here's what she looks like now. Starting at the top, we have 2 random bottles of like coffee liqueur stuff for guests, and trash bags, paper towels. Panning down, that basket is just like medicine, stuff like that, first aid things. And then crock pot that I need to wipe down. And then the next shelf is food. Got our Cheez-Its, which is my husband's, my Raisin Bran, which is basically the level of exciting food I can handle at the moment. Got my tuna because that's what I've been eating lately. And yeah, just some things like some box meals that don't cook ever. I just bought them in case quarantine, you know, I might need them, but they tear my stomach up so I don't eat them very often. And yeah, just some baking supplies, stuff like that. Some miso soup, seasoning mixes, that sort of thing live here in a smaller basket within this big basket. These baskets right here, by the way, are from Target, and I love them. They are so nice. We always got some dried beans, that kind of stuff. So I just bought like some canned stuff and some dry stuff that we don't usually keep in the house or use, but I panic bought them, I guess. Down here I just have some smoothies, some cookies. Those are pumpkins treats in there. Oreos. I've been treating myself to some Oreos and some crackers and graham crackers because that's all I was pretty much being able to eat for a little bit there because I was very sick. And then we have canned goods, which I also can't eat very often because they hurt my tummy. And then down here is a bag where we keep our Walmart bags and stuff because they're handy to have. And then we have pumpkins, kibs, and broom and dustpan. Okay, so that is the pantry all tidy.